Hi, this is Marshall Nelson, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do a Boolean search. So we're going to go to Safari or whatever browser you have here, or whatever browser you use. We're going to go to Google. And a Boolean search, basically, it just can be used in a few different ways. It can narrow your searches, it can broaden your searches to include synonyms or whatever, and you can use it to exclude words. Those are the three main basic ways to do one. So we're going to start with FDA ban cereal healthy and make sure your Boolean, so that's the Boolean search is this here, the all capital and. This is used to narrow your search because it has to include the first phrase I have and the whatever I say next. So we have that, and then let's say let's also include cereal companies fight back. Yeah, so as you can see, cereal pasta companies blast FDA for strict definition. So basically what I did here is it, instead of just articles about this, it includes all my second phrase, which was and fight back. So that's our first one. Our next one is or. Or broadens your search because it allows for synonyms or anything like that. So let's do similar thing. FDA ban cereal healthy, or remember your Boolean all capital, or let's see, or FDA new healthy labels. So this broadens our search. It doesn't have to, it can be my first group of keywords or my second one. See, US proposes a new definition of healthy food, and then our first one includes the cereal. These 7 cereals do not qualify. And our last Boolean search is going to be not. So that one you use to exclude words. So let's do a similar search, FDA ban cereal. And I think if you saw earlier, there were articles that were mentioning pasta, one of the first ones that popped up. Yeah, see? Yeah. Pasta companies. So let's do not pasta. So yeah, that excluded the ones that include pasta. So yeah, that's pretty much how to do it. It's not too complicated. Thank you.